So this is around a year and a few months review of my Raptor line job I did, and honestly I truly love it because I've gone off-road so many times and it's holding up amazingly. I have so much confidence going through the woods, especially when it's heavily dense and the brush is really thick and you can just hear all the scratches go by it, and when I come out there's not a single scratch on it. Like, just even times where I think that it's gonna get tore up and it hasn't got torn up yet. Still looks amazing. As you see here, that's from mistakes when I painted it because of that paint gun. But still amazing. There are some areas where it's peeling off. I should have put that adhesion promoter, but unfortunately that can, when I was spraying, the can was not spraying that stuff. It was like the gas in it was missing and all the actual liquid is in there, so I couldn't spray it and apply it. One thing about this is when you sell the vehicle, some people don't like it and you might lose resale value, but honestly, if you're a dedicated person that loves to go off-roading and such, it's totally worth it. Some people will admire it and purchase it, but it might lose its value, but it served its purpose. One of the cons is that if you want to remove it, apparently it's a pain in the ass because how rough that surface is. As you can tell, it'll be very, very hard to remove that. And another thing is, I have noticed that the paint has faded a little bit, which is a common issue with the Raptor liner. But apparently, you can scuff it up and repaint it. You can even change it to another color. You scuff it up and repaint it, so that's good. So you can touch up the paint if needed. But honestly, I'm extremely happy. I don't have to worry about my vehicle getting scratched up while going off-road. That's the whole purpose of this vehicle, is going off-road. So I believe it's a wise investment, honestly. And then you don't have to worry about it getting rusted either. It's like a solid tank if you look at it. So that's my honest review. I would highly recommend the Raptor liner, and the information to purchase this is down below. And I have a previous video also about when I initially did this, and I actually did this in non-recommended weather. As you see here in Florida, it rains a lot and there's a bunch of humidity, and unfortunately I had to do it during a rainy day, and it had a lot of humidity also. I didn't really have a choice, but I think it came out great. Yeah, there are some spots, as you can tell right here, but honestly I don't care. It gets beat up. It does its purpose. I love it. And I always get compliments about it. They're like, what kind of paint is that? Alright, so have a great day.